Light up the dance floor with NeoPixel shoelaces that pulse, animate, and glow. This is an easy beginner project with a little soldering, a little crafting, and no coding at all. Customize colors and modes using the free WLED software and control your shoes right from your smartphone. WLED's access point mode makes it easy to sync the lights in your shoes or other costume pieces together, even when you're not in Wi-Fi range. These shoes will be perfectly in sync, no matter where in the world you take them. See the full build tutorial at learn.adafruit.com. And as always, remember to subscribe for more fun costume building ideas. Thanks for watching.